looks like this. The light thingy on top. Yours doesn't have it.
First step, if you haven't already done it, take the stock tire carrier off. I already did that. And then these are 13 millimeters. Just gotta take these off. We got all 4 screws out, so now just gotta line it up like this. We put all 4 screws in, but just make sure you put all 4 in before you start tightening it up, because as you can see, this can slide up or down. These ones can too, so you have to get it right before you tighten everything. All right, now that it's on, for my wheels, I need to do, it's 5x4.5, so I have to do that, that, and that. But if you have the 5x5s, it's those 3. And they give you these, they're 11/16ths, so you just feed it in from the back. You screw it in like that.
Very easy this is. Yeah.
So this kit does come with its own lug nuts, but I just bought a bunch of blue ones that I'm slowly gonna switch out over time. I'm just gonna use the blue ones to match. It's the same color as my. It's the same exact color as my Jeep. So over time I'm gonna switch them out, but I'm gonna use these for the back. You gotta make sure you got the lock on the back so no one can just come and steal your tire too. And that's the finished product.